Our aim in this project, to learn how to control a system consisting of Arduino, Bluetooth module with mobile codes. But after we learn the connection and Bluetooth settings first, we will be able to send control messages to our Bluetooth module with Flutter Dart codes. We do not directly connect the cable from the digital pin 11TX of Arduino to the RX pin of the HC-05 Bluetooth module. By dividing the voltage with the help of 1K and 2K resistors, we convert 5 volts to 3.3 volts. We can directly connect Arduino's RX pin to HC-05 Bluetooth pin. We connect the 5V and GND pins directly to the Bluetooth module. When we connect the power cable, the LED of the Bluetooth module blinks frequently. This flashing indicates that it is not yet in setup mode. To put the Bluetooth module into setting mode, we unplug the power cord and hold down the small button on it. While pressing the button, the power cable is reconnected. The LED on the Bluetooth module starts to flash every 2 seconds. This indicates that the Bluetooth module has switched to setting mode. We are on the Arduino code screen. Thanks to these codes, 2 COM ports are opened. One is Arduino's own port, and the other is the COM port of the Bluetooth module we created with the mySerial command. Since the Bluetooth module will run at 38,400 baud in command mode, we change the baud value to 38,400. We're running a few tries, starting with that. The place where we test is the Arduino a serial port screen. We also enter some wrong commands for experimentation. You can easily find PDF documents about the HC-05 module on the internet. We examine the commands, starting with that in the PDF document. When we type that command and press enter, we get an OK response. At +name. Command returns us the name of the Bluetooth module. To change the name, we can type at +name equals bloblu and press enter. At +pswd. Returns us the module's password. To change the password, type at +pswd equals 1111 and press enter. HC-05 module normally works in slave mode. At +roll to see this. Type and press enter. If we want to change the operating mode, for example, if we want it to work in transmitter master mode, we need to type at +roll equals 1 and press enter.